In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your business logo to the top left navbar in Lovable AI and update the favicon with it. This is a quick design task, but it makes a big difference in how polished and branded your project looks. By the end of this process, your logo will appear in the navigation bar, and the browser tab icon or favicon will match it as well. Before you begin, make sure you have a high-resolution version of your logo ready to upload. A vector SVG file is usually best for sharp scaling, but a high-quality PNG also works well. To get started, go to the Lovable AI prompt input bar and click the attachment or upload icon. This is where you can add files that the AI will use as reference when making changes to your project. Once the file picker opens, select your business logo file. Again, the preferred formats here are SVG or PNG, since those are commonly used for clean and reliable web branding. After the logo has been attached, click back into the prompt field and type the exact instruction. Place this logo in the top left navbar and update favicon with it. Keeping the prompt direct and specific helps the AI understand both parts of the request. You're not only asking it to place the logo in the correct navigation position, but also to apply that same branding to the favicon so your site feels consistent across the interface. Once you've submitted the prompt, Lovable AI will generate the layout update for you. At this point, shift your attention to the live preview window. This is where you'll confirm that the logo appears correctly in the top left area of the navbar and that it looks balanced with the rest of the header. You'll also want to verify that the favicon has been updated properly. Sometimes the favicon may appear small, so just make sure it remains recognizable at that size. If everything looks right in the preview, go ahead and approve the generated layout change. This final confirmation applies the update to your project. Taking a moment to review before approving is important because it helps you catch any alignment, sizing, or visibility issues before moving on. And that's it. With just a logo upload, a clear prompt, and a quick preview check, you can give your project a more professional and cohesive brand presence inside Lovable AI.